Hey guys, we're here in Northeast Missouri for the 2025 Missouri Disabled Sportsman antlerless deer hunt here in Missouri. Just getting set up here at the shop. This is where everybody will be meeting at and taking off for this afternoon's hunt. So just stick around. Here's where we're staying for the weekend.
It's smoked her. Yeah, I smoked her. You got smoked her. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Good job, Vincent. Is that deer 4 with me, bud? You did it, buddy. You shot her in the shoulder. Hey, Vincent, give it to me, buddy. You got her. Good job, buddy.
$601. 601. Yeah. Solid wins everything.
I had to know when we were standing right here. I can't remember his name. Who it was. Where's Junior?